guys, welcome back to Sisters Forever, and today I'm going to show you how to make delicious club sandwiches. So for the club sandwiches you will need shredded chicken that we have, and this is grilled chicken that we have already made, shredded, and seasoned. Then we have sliced cheese and mozzarella cheese. We have mayonnaise, delicious scrambled eggs, and coleslaw. For the bread of the club sandwiches, I am using double fiber bread because it is healthy for you. And for the bread, we are cutting off the corners, and the corners we will later use as breadcrumbs for another recipe. For the bread, I am pan frying it in this pan with butter for that delicious crunchy texture of the club sandwich. I love crunch on bread, I love the toasty texture. And after pan frying the bread on butter, this is how it looks. I can already feel the crunchy texture in my mouth. I can see it. Now we are going to assemble the sandwich. We are going to serve our club sandwiches with these delicious salty French fries. So guys, this is the final result for us in making our delicious crunchy club sandwiches with the side of yummy, crunchy, salty French fries. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this.